Now I bust a promotion for you. Now we have this gentleman at Christmas and I'm going to do him sale. Advertise your thing. What you sell?
I go and sell some charger.
Yeah? Charger alone you sell?
Yeah, some hand drive charger.
Yeah? So how much for your charger?
Right then I want with 3.5, 2.5.
Yeah?
And 2 grand.
Yeah. So you have anything you want to say for big up, you nobody you want to big up a foreign or a yard, who you want to big up?
Big up the police them.
Yeah.
Up on my unit.
Yeah.
Right now I boss the police force and them start me out and them don't want to start me. But you don't know me I give them time because they say 1 month time.
So where do I name? Where do I name?
K then call me.
K?
Yeah, my mother for the private phone. My father for the private phone.
Anyway, me I go sing a song. I want to say if you know it. Zin, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a
3, 2.
You know the song?
No.
Come on, man. K, you say you run the thing, man. You must can done the little song. Like, you don't know Jingle Bell?
Yeah, Jingle Bell.
You don't know Jingle Bell?
Yeah, what we have to do is songs.
No, man, you must know one line out of the song, K. Come on, man. You not to know it?
Yeah.
All right, so you say you do some work?
I go and hustle, man, to save a life, to save a bridge.
Yeah. So that you have planned for the holidays, straight hustling?
Yeah, I do nothing more. I mean, I don't think I'm going to go around nobody.
No, we're not encourage that. Yeah.
Pound of rice and go on my bed and nothing
Yeah.
like that.
All right, K, wish you all the best. No. Yeah.
They have something for me for a long time. They might be talking up.
Yeah. Anyway, I wish K all the best. Same way. Christmas, 1 pound of rice, and that is fine. If that's what make K happy. Make K happy. Hello, pretty girl. Watch her take care of herself. All right, there you have it. K want a pound of rice for holiday, and we'll give him a pound of rice.